Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. We're out here with Pearl again, and Pearl is our 2003 Yukon Denali. That was a bit of a basket case, and we're trying to work through it. In the meantime, we ordered some taillights in, and they just came in, and I just realized that the brand is DNA Motoring. And I am in the process of doing a video on headlight replacements and parking light replacements from DNA Motoring, where I got a bad set, and based on the reviews I just think I might have gotten a bad set. But between DNA Motoring and Amazon, they're pointing their fingers at each other, because I had them on the shelf for a while, so I missed the normal Amazon return window. Pain in the ass. Anyway, this set, did not realize I was ordering from DNA Motoring, and when I did, I said, you know what, as soon as I get them in, I'm going to make sure they're working and that they fit, so that I can send them back before that Amazon return window closes. So I bought the taillights. I'll link them in the description below as always, and keep an eye out for the video for the front lights, because that's going to tell you a lot about what I've been experiencing. So here on Pearl, you can see this light is taped in and the other light is held in by, I believe, like one screw. So we're going to go at these and see what the deal is on these. I believe there's just a couple screws on the inside, because we've had a ton of these vehicles. I should know exactly. I don't know if the housings are cracked. That one rattles like crazy. This one's taped in. There's probably screws missing, cracked housings, who knows. I'll move the camera and we'll figure it out. Alright, so with the tape off, it just fell out. Shame of it is, I know I have a set of these somewhere. I replaced a set of these on the Suburban with ones that had the black instead of the red around, and I know I didn't throw away the originals. I don't throw stuff away like that. So I'm going to pull these bulbs out. And piece of tape here. Alright, so there's two holes. I only got to screw in one. Alright, that's what the screw looks like. So I'm probably going to need two, so let me go look for another screw, so that we'll at least have the hardware available to put the new lights in. Well, I was able to find a variety of screws, and I got the new taillights, proudly marked all over the box, made in China. And they have directions, which are mostly in Chinese. It says, make sure car's year 2000 to 2001, please connect socket of car body into plug marks 2000, 2001. 2002, 2003, please contact socket of car body into the plug marks 2002, 2003. After assembling by different cars year, please cut off useless plug in red dotted line. Now this is going to be... what I don't understand is they're supposed to fit 2000 to 2006. The directions only go to 2003. This is going to be a load of shit. Okay. Where the fuck is this supposed to go? This. I got this. These must be some kind of load resistors. And then I got this. Oh, 2002, 2003, 2000, 2001. So this has got to go to the harness, cut it at the red dotted line, I don't see any red dotted line. They just widen together. Cut at red dotted line, it says. Alright, so I'm guessing this whole harness is going to come out. And that is underneath. So let me go under and see if I can find that harness. Alright. So the end of that harness is right there. It plugs into some kind of module where a bunch of harnesses plug into, and it's mounted on the body and just plugs right in. That's really, really easy. A lot easier than I thought it was. So we got to snake this down. I don't know how easy it's going to be with two plugs on the end of it, but we'll give it a shot. I did have AC condensate leak on my face, and a lot of grime and dust and shit came in my eyes. Good thing I wear glasses. Alright, now. Alright, so I got that plugged in on the bottom. I'm guessing this is going to require a bulb. Yep. So I have a new set of backup light bulbs. So the previous owner already had LED bulbs in the backup lights, but they weren't extremely bright, so I'm going to use these from JDM A-Star or JD Master, whatever they might be called. And I'm hoping I got the polarity right. If not, we'll know right away. Alright, and these resistors, I guess this is double-sided tape, and I got to figure out where they're going to go. But the harness is plugged in, so I'm going to lay the resistors down. I'm going to turn the light over and peel this off. Alright, let's take a look and see if they work or not, and if that reverse light works. Alright, well, they seem to be working, so let's figure out where we can put these resistors, or resistors, I guess they're resistors. Come over here. And I'm guessing like this is going to be a good spot to mount them. Right in the body. That double-sided tape that they give you. Really good. Alright, put a little alcohol over here. These screw holes line up here, and it seems like they do. The fit actually might be pretty good. That fit actually looks pretty good. Nice gaps on the side, on the bottom, on the top. The only gap we're really going to have to look at now is going to be closing the tailgate. All right, so as I'm fitting this one into place, what do we have? Broken tab right here. This is DNA motoring quality. Well, I'm going to see if it goes in nice and holds tight. Otherwise, these are going to go back for their shit quality control as usual. And while I'm still in the return window, might as well send the things back. See, a little clip doesn't have a hole going all the way through it. Let me pull off one of my originals, and hopefully I could use this one. If I get the clip off without slicing my hand open. There it is. All right, try this again. Doesn't feel all that bad. Don't have a good variety of screws here, but let's see. Got a little give there. More. I think I could deal with it. Chinese crap. Alright, well, they went in fairly easy. I'm still not sure where to cut that thing. If I cut that plug off, I gotta tape the ends of all those wires because they're teed in. So I could just tape the plug up or cut all the wires and tape the ends. I think I'm just gonna tape the plug up. It seems like it would make more sense. Just tape it up good and tuck it out of the way. As far as the lights, they fit really well on this side, and on this side they fit really well too. The problem is that one locating tab is broken, and the only issue that it gives me, because I got one over here, so I can't, push in, but you can see right here I can sort of push in a little bit. It's really not a giant concern because there's no pressure this way on it, and I don't think it's gonna rattle at all. Now there's no rattle or anything, so I mean, I guess I'll deal with it. But that's this made in China DNA motoring. If you do order from them, look at the reviews, see what people say. People are always going to get bad sets, but make sure you get it and put it on the vehicle so that you have that return window from Amazon, and you can return them if you want to. Like if I really wanted to, I could just take these out, put them in the box, bring them back and return them. I think I'm going to leave them because that's really not critical. They're held in nice with screws, so they're not going anywhere. I'm going to call this one done, and I'll give you a little clip of it from Rob from the future right now when it gets a little dusk. So what'd you think? The only thing that I didn't check now is directional function. So let me close this up, and so we can get a view of the whole thing, and then let's just check and see what directional function is like. Well, hopefully they look pretty good. Hopefully at night they look even better. They seem to be blinking at a nice speed, so those big brick resistors hopefully will stand the test of time. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll link everything we use, the bulbs and these lights, made in China. Sometimes you get what you pay for. They weren't cheap. They work. You just got to make sure that you put them on right away, like I've said over and over and over again. That's it today from Axel's Garage. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, thanks for watching.